Good morning, guys. Happy quarantine day 3. So we were just in Florida and we got back Friday night, so Saturday, Sunday, now it's Monday, so this is day 3. It is 10:30 and I'm about to go through all of my clothes. This is a really good idea if you're not in my situation because we're moving, but if you literally are just stuck in quarantine and need something to do, go through all of your clothes. Donate it. Probably people need them more right now than ever. I don't know if donation centers are open right now. I actually should look that up, but I'm gonna go through all my clothes, get rid of a bunch of stuff that I literally don't wear. Like, this is the time. I am moving out. Also, that hit me the other day. We can talk about that later, but like, I'm getting rid of stuff. It's all like, if I don't wear it, it's not coming with me, which means it's not staying here either. It's going. Someone else needs it more than I do. So that's the plan today. I'm gonna go through all of my stuff, and this is the first video in the moving series. I'm so excited. It's a different moving experience than I thought I would ever have. I've never moved. This is my childhood bedroom. Like, I'm moving out of my house into an apartment with Dylan. And this is the start. I'm gonna go through all my clothes today. I'm gonna go through all my stuff tomorrow, I think, and then start packing. I've already started ordering stuff, but that's another video or something. I don't really know what I'm doing, but yeah, since we are in quarantine, we can't like go out to the stores and buy stuff, so we're navigating that. Should be interesting, but I hope you guys will stick around, watch all the moving vlogs, and let's get into the decluttering of all my clothes. It is 11:30 now, so it's been an hour, and I ignore the mess that you may see because we're in shambles. But so all of these drawers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, used to be mine, except this one I cleared out for Dylan when he first moved in, which we won't look at that one because I didn't organize that one. Now I only have this one he can have, this one I have, and the bottom one I have. So this is all PJs. T-shirts. I moved my t-shirts in here and I got rid of quite a few, so this is all of my PJ t-shirts. That's it. PJ pants, PJ shorts, PJ sets. That's Dylan's drawer. I have my jeans in here. I have my plain jeans, my ripped jeans, my colored jeans. Cleared out this one, and then up here I just have like bras, underwear, sports bras, etc. Cleared out this one. This one, I have all of my workout clothes, leggings, shorts, and shirts. And then I just have like a long sleeve little thingy. And then that drawer is also Dylan's. And then that one we usually use for like sweatshirts, so I need to figure that out. But yeah, so far so good. I need to go downstairs. I have like 3 more drawers downstairs. Like my plastic college drawers that are just filled with other stuff. Like, you know how you switch your closet out like winter and summer? Like, all my summer stuff's down there, and other stuff. But I'm getting rid of a lot. I still need to go through my actual closet and like hanging up stuff, but I'm feeling good because I'm trying to just like, if I don't wear it, I'm just gonna get rid of it. It's just gone. Get rid of it. So I've done a lot of that, but I need to figure out a place for my sweatshirts and my sweaters because those are like big and chunky. Like, where do I put them? So they've been living in between my 2 dressers. It's so bad. But yeah, that's good. Now Dylan and I have even amount of drawers. I might move them around so they're not so like every other, because that's kind of weird. So maybe like I'll take the top 3, he gets the bottom. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and go through those drawers. Or should I go through my closet first? I don't know. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I have one trash bag. This is just from the stuff that was downstairs. Oh, it's kind of see-through. I just brought another trash bag up, and now it's time to go through my actual closet. So, wish me luck. All clothes going away. I will say that I am going to put them, I think, in my garage or downstairs, because I don't think donation centers are open right now, and I don't think they would want them because like the disease or the virus can live on material. So we're just gonna have them locked up, wait for this all to be over, and then donate them.